Hey, Riddle here. I just wanted to make a quick video explaining to you the pros and cons of having a home warranty. As home warranty policies go and home warranty companies go, in my experience, both as a realtor and as a property owner, they're all about the same. The thing is, you have to understand, especially if you're just beginning to invest in real estate or if you are buying your first home or investment property, is that if you are depending on your home warranty policy to cover your ass 100%, keep dreaming. Like any kind of insurance company or big company, these policies are written and designed to make a profit, not for you to profit. So it's really important, but sometimes nearly impossible to read all the fine print of what they cover and what they don't cover. For instance, I'm experienced in real estate, and we bought our home in the mountains, and the policy was supposed to cover well issues because we have well water. So when our well pump broke down a month into us owning the home, guess what? It covered the main well, but the problem was we share a well with two other properties. Then the water's transferred from the main well to our pressure pump, which then fills our holding tank and comes into our house. Well, on that little fine print, they don't cover the pressure pump. They don't cover anything exterior to the main well. So we were screwed. Another example of, the home warranty issue. We just bought a bunch of home warranty policies, and as I was talking to the gentleman on the phone, I said, should I get this extended roof policy, connected, in addition to pay for extra for this roof policy, because I'm very suspicious of this roof I have on my new property, because it's a flat roof and flat roofs are always problematic. Dude tells me, oh, no, you have limited roof coverage already. Don't worry about it. So because I was spending so much money, I believed him. But again, he obviously was just trying to make a sale, which I really don't understand because the sale would have been larger with additional roof coverage. So I don't know what his motive was, unless he just sensed in me that I was suspicious of the roof and he was covering their liabilities. So he literally lied to me. Long story longer, the roof developed a link, called the company. Company said, you're not covered. Now, I threw a shit fit, which I'm very good at constructive complaining. It's no good to complain if you're not getting something out of it. And they, because of what a good customer I am, they gave me free limited roof coverage on all those properties and gave me $450 back. But the catch was I still cannot file that claim for that roof leak for another 30 days. So I would still have to go out of pocket to fix that roof leak so it doesn't further damage the property. One more thing. So today my crew gets to this property and there's no heat. And we're talking the northern part of the country, northern Ohio to be specifically. And it was later in the day, so I'm in California, but it's end of business there. After business hours, you pay extra for emergency. So no heat in this building, new investment. I call the warranty company, and customer service is great, but what they do is they just throw this out to all these companies, and then it's a 24-hour window for them to respond to you. Well, the problem is, in 24 hours, with the temperature dipping below freezing, so much damage can be done. The pipes can freeze, things can explode. So here is the third time that I could not use my home warranty policy. that I filed a claim and I just couldn't wait those 24 hours and, uh, chance that damage happening to the property. So again, I had to find an independent contractor that worked specifically with these old heating systems. And I don't know what the outcome of that was because it literally just happened 20, 30 minutes ago. So the reason I'm sharing all this with you is many people, they buy a home or they buy a property on a budget, or they don't have a lot in savings to be prepared for these type of situations. And you would be led to believe that the home warranty policy is going to cover these things. And quite often, the home warranty policy does not cover these things. And if you do not have savings or the resources to deal with these things, you will be getting in trouble. And this is one of the big mistakes that new investors make, new homeowners make, is not reading the fine print or not talking to somebody who has experience in real estate or investing before going into this type of business. So that's it. That is my take on the home warranty business. I wanted to say scam. It's not exactly a scam, but it is designed to make money. It's designed to make money, and things that are designed to make money aren't in general designed for the consumer to come out ahead. So be careful of that home warranty policy, read the fine print, and remember that in emergency situations, it may be worthless. And if you're expecting it to cover everything, read the fine print. There's very finite details, like sewer, with sewer issues. If it's anything outside of the house, it may not cover. So that means that, like, the main sewer line that goes from your home to the city sewer, often that line is what is a fragile, attacked by tree roots. That's the thing that goes wrong, and it can be a huge expense. Always have that inspected. It's worth a couple $100s to have Roto-Rooter come out and run a camera through to make sure that that's in good condition. Many realtors and many investors miss that. It's especially important that you have that looked at if there's trees around, especially if there's trees around. But often that is not covered in any kind of standard insurance. So that being said, be careful. Be careful. Read, and save. Always have some money put back for emergencies, because, like my mama always said, expect the worst, hope for the best, and everything will be okay. So you should always be prepared. Always be prepared for emergencies. All right. Thank you so much for watching, listening. I hope you gained something from this. If you like my channel, it's a little bit all over the place. I do organic farming, I cover art, I cover culture, I cover politics, and some real estate stuff, and a lot of home repair stuff. Most of my videos that are the most popular tend to be my home repair stuff. So please subscribe if you like saving a buck and you like clever things. And occasionally I'll really confuse you with a video that's really weird about something just completely off. So don't expect predictability. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other, because I believe how we treat each other on the streets is our ultimate reality. We can only blame the government for so much. We can only blame social media and technology for so much. When we're at the grocery store, if we're not all being kind to each other, communicating with each other, well, suddenly, guess who is the problem? That's right, you and I. I'm a big talker, I'm very open-hearted, but more and more, it shocks me how protective and frightened people are of each other. That is not the America that I remember as a child. Let's protect America and our real ideals.